Make a great choice today with
The 2025 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.